We just added the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Sequoia Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto to this 2017 Sequoia. We installed an electronic module made by Hamilton physically into this factory radio. This is going to preserve all your factory functionality as well as your factory radio. We'll show you first how to get the CarPlay set up, and then in another video, if you're an Android user, we'll show you how to set up Android Auto. We'll also show you how to configure the audio and how to use the system. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and locate a new device that will start with Hamilton. Click it. When your iPhone produces a pairing code, click Pair. Click Allow to Favorites and Contacts, and if you get a prompt to use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Then you can allow CarPlay to check for apps. Just like that, CarPlay is configured. We'll talk quickly about what makes this unit so much different than the others. By installing a circuit board physically into the device, we're able to provide full resolution graphics on this screen. A lot of low quality solutions try to just go through the wiring harness, and it creates a video that's shaky and unstable and low resolution graphics. Especially on a small factory screen, you want top level graphics. Hamilton designs the kits to function just like a factory system would. And you can see that this looks and feels like something that came from Toyota. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds at any time will switch you back to the factory system. And on the factory system, you don't lose access to any factory features, including you get to keep Sirius XM radio. For audio to work correctly, you want the factory system to be in aux mode. We ship our systems by default so that you pair Bluetooth to the new Hamilton device and you play music through the aux mode. In another video, we'll show you an overview of CarPlay, how it works, and all of the features of this awesome device.